hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss parabola, very short answer type questions, very important questions from parabola. 2 marks questions. These concepts will help you in the competitive examinations itself. The concepts exclusively very short answer type questions. From this, damn surely one question in public examination. 5 to 6 models are there in this video. I am going to explain clearly. Let us have a discussion. The first question: find the equation of parabola whose focus is s of 1 comma minus 7 and vertex is a of 1 comma minus 2. Two questions are same type of questions. How to solve easy way? 2 marks question now within simple steps, 4 to 5 steps. I am going to finish that answers. Observe carefully, dear students. In this question, focus 1 comma minus 7 and vertex a of 1 comma minus 2. Whatever the information is available here, that you can write as a steps. Proper steps also important nowadays. Most of the students are thinking direct steps they want. So according to the scheme of valuation in the public examination, steps are very much required according to the question. Given focus and vertex, focus denoted by S, focus value 1 comma minus 7 and vertex denoted by A, capital A is equal to 1 comma minus 2. Vertex denoted by H comma K, which are representing denoted by capital A, and X and Y coordinates of vertex can be written as H comma K here. If it is standard form, we can take as 0 comma 0 as a vertex. Observe carefully, dear students, in this question. Focus and vertex x coordinates are equal. In this question, x coordinates are equal. The equation of parabola whose focus and vertex x coordinates are equal. The equation of parabola is in this form: x minus h whole square is equal to plus or minus 4a into y minus k. This is the required equation of parabola. The required equation of parabola. Suppose y coordinates are equal in focus and vertex. Y minus k whole square equal to plus or minus 4a into y minus k. H comma k values are available. And here we need to decide plus and minus. And a value also. Here a is equal to, small a is equal to distance between focus and vertex, SA, and deciding factor plus or minus. The focus y coordinate is negative. Here also minus 4a will come. Focus y coordinate is positive, plus 4a will come. According to this question, focus y coordinate is minus 7. So here minus 4a only will come. I hope you understand, dear students. A is equal to SA, distance between S and A. So 1 minus 1 whole square is 0, plus minus 7 plus 2 whole square, which is equal to square root of 0 plus minus 5 whole square is 25, root 25 is 5. So small a value 5, we got it. A value 5, h comma k values are 1 comma minus 2. Therefore, the equation of parabola x minus h value is 1 whole square is equal to minus 4 into 5 into y minus of minus 2 plus 2. So x minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 20 into y plus 2, which is the required equation of parabola. Now come to question number 2. The same type of question. Here also proper steps you have to write, dear students, and observe carefully. given focus and vertex, given focus S is equal to 3 comma 1 and vertex capital A equal to 3 comma minus 2, vertex denoted by H comma K. In this information also, in focus and vertex, x coordinates are equal. Therefore, the equation of parabola is x minus h whole square is equal to, focus y coordinate is positive here, so plus 4a only we are writing, into y minus k, x minus h whole square equal to plus 4a into y minus k, where small a is equal to capital SA, distance between S and A. So small a is equal to square root of 3 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus of minus 2, 1 plus 2 whole square, which is equal to square root of 0 plus 3 square is 9, which is equal to 3. So a is equal to 3. A value we got it, h comma k value is also available. These values substitute in this equation. X minus h value is 3 whole square equal to 4 into a value is 3 into y minus of minus 2 plus 2. So x minus 3 whole square is equal to 12 times of y plus 2, which is the required equation of parabola. I hope you understand. Small steps, simple steps, you will get the marks easily. From these two, conceptually, if they want to ask equation of parabola, among these two, any one of them they will ask. Now, we will move to the next concept, focal distance. Based on that, two questions are there, that also we will discuss. The next question, these two also same type of questions. Find the coordinates of the point on the parabola y square equal to 2x whose focal distance is 5 by 2. So first find the coordinates of the point on the parabola. So let p of x1 comma y1 be any point on the parabola y square is equal to 2x. So wherever point lies on that, then y1 square is equal to 2x1. Point lies on that. This equation of parabola you have to compare with y square is equal to 4ax. Here 4a is equal to 2. Compare with 4a, x coefficients. So a is equal to 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 we can take here. A is equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Focal distance is 5 by 2. Given focal distance, you keep that equation number 1 minus equal to 5 by 2. The formula for focal distance is x1 plus a is equal to 5 by 2. A value 1 by 2 substitute here. x1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. That implies x1 is equal to 5 by 2 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So x1 is equal to 2, we got it. x1 is equal to 2, substitute in equation 1. x1 is equal to 2, substitute in equation 1. So we get y1 square is equal to 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. So y1 square is equal to 4, y1 is equal to plus or minus 2. So therefore the point on the parabola, the points on the parabola are p of x1 y1 is equal to p of x1 to y1 plus or minus 2. Similarly, the same question. Here the focal distance is 10, parabola is 8x. Similar steps. Let P of x1, y1 be any point on y square is equal to 8x on the parabola. Then y1 square is equal to 8x1. Keep it as equation number 1. And this parabola y square equal to here 4a is equal to 8. Compare with y square is equal to 4ax. 4a is equal to 8. A is equal to 8 by 4 means a is equal to 2. Given focal distance is equal to 10. Focal distance formula x1 plus a. x1 plus a is equal to 10. A value how much? 2. So x1 plus 2 equal to 10. x1 is equal to 8. 10 minus 2. x1 is equal to 8. Substitute in equation 1. x1 is equal to 8. Substitute in equation 1. We get y1 square is equal to 8 into 8, 64. So y1 is equal to plus or minus 8. y1 is equal to root 64 plus or minus. So x1, therefore the points on the parabola. So therefore the points on the parabola are P of x1 comma y1 is equal to P of x1 value 8 comma plus or minus 8. Number of times they asked in the public examination, dear students, these two questions. So thoroughly you prepare. So first model completed, second model it is. So now coming to the third models. The next important model. If 1 by 2 comma 2 is one extremity of a focal chord of the parabola y square equal to 8x, find the coordinates of the other extremity. Find the coordinates of other extremity. See here, one important standard result is there. This is the equation of parabola. This is the focal chord. This is focus S of A comma 0. The ends of the focal chord, the extremities of the focal chord, P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2. The standard results which I am going to mention here. If in public examination also you have to write this property, this result and do it. If P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2 are the ends or extremities, the extremities of focal chord of the parabola, y square is equal to 4ax, then we have two important results, dear students. x1, x2 is equal to a square and y1, y2 is equal to minus 4a square, which are very important results. One is x1, x2 equal to a square. Another one is y1, y2 equal to minus 4a square. This is a very important result. Based on that, we are going to do this sum. x1, y1, x2, y2 are the ends or extremities of the focal chord of the parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax. Then these are the results. One is x1, x2 equal to a square and y1, y2 equal to minus 4a square. What is a here? Distance from focus to the vertex. This is called small a. Distance from focus to the vertex. So now come to the question. Even this result will help in the competitive examinations, dear students. Given equation of parabola or simply given parabola, y square is equal to 8x. This equation you have to compare with y square is equal to 4x. That means here 4a is equal to 8. Am I right? Yes. That implies a is equal to 2. A value we got it. One extremity of the focal chord is given. Given one extremity of focal chord of equation 1 is 1 by 2 comma 2. That means this is x1 y1. So that implies that by comparing x1 is equal to 1 by 2, y1 is equal to 2. x1, y1 values and a value we know that. The other extremity be q of x2 y2. Obviously this is p of x1 y1. So this result is the question mark. We are going to find it. We have, whenever the focal chord extremities are x1, y1, x2, y2, this formula we can write it here. x1, x2 is equal to a square and y1, y2 is equal to minus 4a square. So x1 value, a value substitute here. y1 value, a value substitute here. x1 value 1 by 2 into x2 is equal to a value 2 square. So x2 is equal to 2 square into 2. So x2 is equal to 4 2s are 8. And y1 value is 2 into y2 is equal to minus 4 into 2 square. So y2 is equal to minus 16 by 2, which is equal to minus 8. So 4 square, 2 square, 4 into minus 4, minus 16 by 2. So y2 is equal to minus 8. Therefore, the other extremity of focal chord of the parabola is x to y2 is equal to 8 comma minus 8. Not only this method, more two methods are there, dear students, which I already explained in the regular class once you go to the parabola playlist. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move on to in the exercise 3a. These are the very important VSAQS. Till now, they didn't ask that find the equation of axis, equation of directrix of the parabolas. Chances are there to ask, but these are the standard important VSAQs, dear students, which is enough. Yeah, one more possibility in the first exercise related. Find the position of the following points with respect to the parabola. Points are given. Find the position of the point with respect to the parabola means the point is inside the parabola curve or outside the parabola curve or lie on the parabola curve. So for this power of point you can take it. Power of point means what? S11 or S11 for the given curve. First given equation of parabola or simply given parabola, that is denoted by S. S is equal to y square, that 6x also we can take this side, minus 6x is equal to 0. This is the given parabola equation. So to decide the position of the point, we need to consider according to the parabola equation S11 value or S11. Now S11 is equal to, the meaning of S11 is wherever x comma y is there in this curve, x1 y1 you have to replace, without 0 you can write it. So in this curve y1 square minus 6x1, that's all. So total 3 questions are there. We will decide that with according to the question. First question I am taking. For all the questions, 3 questions, any one of them they will ask in the public exam for 2 marks. Consider the first question. Given point, so P of 6 comma minus 6, it is denoted by obviously x1 y1. So in S11 if you substitute, so S11 at P, in place of y1 minus 6, in place of x1 6. So y1 square minus 6 whole square minus 6 into x1 6. So 36 minus 36 0. So whenever S11 value 0, the point 6 comma minus 6 lies on the curve. Therefore, conclusion, P of 6 comma minus 6 lies on the parabola. Come to the second case. In this given point is P of 0 comma 1, this is x1 y1. Again consider S11 at the point P, y1 square minus 6x1. In place of x1 y1 substitute these values, which is equal to 1 square minus 6 into 0. So 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1. S11 is equal to 1, which is greater than 0 only, no? So therefore the point P of 0 comma 1 lies outside the curve parabola, otherwise outside the parabola. Like this way you have to give the conclusion. Come to the last one, third point. Given point (2, 3) x1 y1. Consider S11 at the point P, y1 square minus 6x1. In place of x1 y1 substitute 3 and so 3 square minus 6 into 2. So 9 minus 12, which is equal to minus 3, which is absolutely less than 0. So whenever S11 is less than 0, therefore the point P 2, 3 lies inside the parabola. So these are the important models regarding the first exercise. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move on to the second exercise, especially in TS in 2022 only. Only till here it will be there, that other one is not there. but I want to do that complete video of VSAQS, so I will make it from here. Exercise 3B, before examples and exercise problems, which belongs to 2 marks only. So next question, which is those who want to preparing for TS students, especially in the year of 2022, till question number 6 only you can see that video. The rest of the videos, it will be for either AP or any competitive exams also, it will be helping. So find the value of k if the line 2y equal to 5x plus k is a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 6x. The value of k we want. We know that the line y is equal to mx plus c is to be tangent to the parabola y square equal to 4ax. Then c is equal to a by m. That formula we are going to apply. So first, given parabola y square is equal to 6x. Here 4a is equal to, here 4a is equal to 6. That implies that a is equal to 3 by 2. 2 3s are 2 2s are. Next, given line 2y is equal to 5x plus k. So dividing by 2. So y is equal to 5 by 2 into x plus k by 2. Compared with y is equal to mx plus c. So here m is equal to 5 by 2 and c is equal to k by 2. The line, equation number 2. Equation 2 touches equation 1, or equation 2 is a tangent. To equation 1. Then c is equal to a by m. This is very important formula. C value k by 2 is equal to a value 3 by 2 by m value 5 by 2. So here 2 get cancelled. K by 2 is equal to 3 by 5. So that implies that k is equal to 6 by 5. Therefore, the value of k is 6 by 5. And the next question, even this question is important for the competitive exams itself. It's a different question in related tangent and normal with slope m. Find the equation of the normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4x, which is parallel to the given line. So first, given parabola y square is equal to 4x. Keep it as equation number 1. Here 4a is equal to 4, a is equal to 1. After that, given line y minus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So except this equation I want to keep y is equal to mx plus c form. So y is equal to 2x minus 5. Equation number 2, here m is equal to 2. I want only m. Y is equal to mx plus c. If you compare, m is equal to 2. The required equation of normal is parallel to this one. So the equation of the normal is parallel to this one, means parallel is tangent only, no? The equation of normal is parallel to equation 2. Then the slope of normal be normal also, so the normal also m is equal to 2. So therefore, the required equation, the equation of normal to the parabola, which is parallel to the line with slope m, is y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. A value we know that, m value also we know that, substitute here. Y is equal to m value is 2 into x minus 2 into 1 into 2 minus 1 into m cube, 2 cube. So y is equal to 2x minus 4 minus 8. So y is equal to 2x minus 12, which is the required equation. The last question in this session, dear students. Show that the line 2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0 is a tangent to the parabola y square equal to 16x. For showing the line is a tangent to the parabola, 1 mark. Finding the point of contact, 1 mark. See here, how to prove the line is tangent to the parabola? If you prove that C is equal to A by M, then the given line is a tangent to the parabola. So first step here, given line, (2x minus y plus 2 equal to 0). This equation compare with y is equal to mx plus c. First making it to that form. Minus y we can take into this side, plus y equal to 2x plus 2, and compare with y is equal to mx plus c. So then m is equal to 2 and c is equal to 2. M value, c value we got it. And given parabola y squared is equal to 16x here. So here 4a is equal to y square is equal to 4x. No, 4a is equal to 16, a is equal to 4. Now I am verifying c is equal to a by m or not. C is equal to, we got it as 2, and a by m also I am verifying. A value is 4 by m value is 2, that is equal to 2. So c value 2, a by m value 2. Therefore c is equal to a by m. Equation 1 is tangent to equation 2. Therefore conclusion, equation 1 is tangent to equation 2. So first question is over. Next, point of contact. The line y is equal to mx plus c, that means mx plus a by m, touches the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Point of contact is a by m square comma 2a by m. This is the important formula. So a value we know that, m value we know that, no? So a is equal to 4 by m square, 2 square, m value 2. 2 into a value is 4 divided by m value is 2. So 4 by 4, 8 by 2. So 4 by 4 means 1, 8 by 2 means 4. Therefore, the point of contact is 1, 4. I hope you understand, dear students. So thoroughly you should prepare. In the next video, I am coming with system of circles from 2A and 2B exercises. Whatever VSAQs are there, that I am going to explain in the next video. After that hyperbola, after that circles. all VSAQs quick revision I am going to give for all the students like TS and AP. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you all. Maths with Panindra. Jai Hind.